My name is Paul Woodmansey. I'm the president of BYK Construction, and we build custom homes and spec homes, and recently we've been moving into the multi-use market. We had reached out to L&I for some help with our accident prevention plan, and we met up with a guy named Chuck who brought up the idea of doing a Stand Down for Falls event. And we loved the idea right away. We got along with Chuck great.
So what we'll do is we'll spread out, we'll have ladder safety down there, and we'll have fall protection down here. So we'll leave it up to you guys to determine which one you want to go to.
We actually had a great time putting it on. Others might not do this, but we had food, so it got a lot of our subs to kind of come in and get involved. The event for us specifically allowed us to get in front of our subcontractors, real compliance officers from L&I who could tell us, hey, this is what I'm looking for.
That's why I say, you want to stop that? We are asking you to help us stop that. Have a fall protection program in place, provide the necessary equipment, and train these people.
Feeling like we're on top of it and we're doing what we're supposed to be doing for regulations, that anxiety of compliance being on site or showing up goes away. It makes the team be more welcoming towards a compliance visit. I would encourage any business owner to definitely be a part of a Stand Down event. It's a good team building time. The guys get to spend time together, they get to kind of learn and be trained a little bit. It really did help solidify us as a safety first culture and focus on those safety topics that are very important and make sure everybody gets home at the end of the day.